Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another Java tutorial. In this video we're going to be discussing the for loop and just some things about it. So let's get started by writing our main method. So public static void main string args, and then we have our brackets. So we start off with the for loop, basically how any other loop is written, with the keyword for, the parentheses, and then this is where it gets a little bit different. You're going to write int, and then the common practice is I, set it equal to 0, and then a semicolon. Then you do I is less than 10, which is, this part is the condition, another semicolon, and then I plus plus. So then you use your brackets, and then just to show what's going on, we'll do system.out.print print the line, and then we'll print out I. So whenever we run this, it'll print out 0 to 9, which is 10 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's basically going on here is you're creating an int, you're testing while that int is less than whatever you put in here. In our case it's 10. You execute the code that is between these brackets. So after you do that, then you do this part of it, which we are adding 1 to I. So I can go over this part now. We are basically just adding 1 to I. So if you do I plus plus, that's basically the same as I is equal to I plus 1. You can do it in front, which will run the code like this, basically the same. You can do I is plus equal to 3, then you can run it and it'll do 0, 3, 6, 9. That is saying I is equal to I plus 3. So there's basically some different things you can do with that. If you had it the other way around, let's say you had I is equal to 10, and while I is greater than 0, and you could do I is equal to I minus 3, then you could run it and it'll print out 10, 7, 4, 1. So that's the for loop. We're going to be able to use this a lot more and basically understand what it's doing whenever we get into arrays. But for now, this is all you guys need to know, just the basics of the for loop and how it's set up. You have the int, or whatever you're making, the condition you're testing it, and you're incrementing or decrementing the variable you made, and then you're executing the code that you need to do. I hope you guys did enjoy my first tutorial back. I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.